Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is September the 3rd and the chart of the day for today is the pound yen 60 minutes time frame here. You can see that the pair is rallying higher and currently it is rallying with 3 in the minor degree of 3 in the intermediate degree. So you can see it continues to subdivide and continues to nest to the upside in an impulsive way, and currently again is looking to finish this with 3 of 3 of 3 before it continues to go higher. So we got a right side up in green, which means we do have a bullish sequence here against 188.2. So this is the key level. As long as we stay above this level, then any kind of pullback that we see from the peak will continue to find support in the sequence of 3 swing or in 7 swing. So if we look at the 4-hour time frame, we can see over here I'm putting in the label here, this 1 and 2 in the intermediate degree and this 1 and 2 in the minor degree over here. And we can see we just continues to extend higher, and we continue to have a high and higher low starting from this August 5th low. And with this structure here, now we can just simply measure the extension using the Fibonacci here, using this 1 and 2 for example. The 100% is going to go 200.2, which is still a long way from where we are. So that suggests that in the short and medium term, direction seems to be higher since we continue to go higher here and we have not reached the 100%, which is usually the sort of the minimum target you want to achieve. So expect any kind of pullback in the shorter cycle, therefore, to continue finding support again in the sequence of 3 swing and 7 swing. Now that means not necessarily, for example, like when you see something like this, it doesn't necessarily it has to go up from here and it has to go down. So this is not set in stone, but the idea is any pullback should always find support in 3 swing and 7 swing as long as we stay above this 188. Now this 188 is relevant because that's where you got this high sequence here, right? So this high here. So this is really the key pivot to form the bullish view. And in the shorter cycle, for example, yes, we could be doing something like this, but that doesn't really change anything. I mean, if it does something like that, you simply just move the 4 here and you're still calling it higher, and then that means you're going to be finding another support. This is a 3 swing down, right? So you're going to have another bigger 3 swings, which is over here. This will be your next support area from the next leg up. So that's why we identify in the sequence, in this case, which is bullish, the bias is bullish, the trend is bullish, and then we can say that any pullback from this point on will always continue to find support in 3 swing or in 7 swing when we can see a pullback from the peak. Now the peak of that sequence right now is here, so any pullback from there in 3, like this one, 3 swing, find support, and then if it does another leg down here, should find another support again in the next 3 swings at the next 100% extension, and on as long as it stays above this 188.2. all right, so that's what we are looking at the pound yen. And as always, if you want to get more updates on the Forex, commodities, indices, stocks, ETF, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.